left arm. There you go. Hand right here. Hand right there. There you go.
Oh, that's much better than last time.
John, I'm seeing a lot of the same rods and reels being used here. What do we got?
This is our best-selling PCH rail rod. This is a 741 XXXH.
There you go. So now you'll be able to.
And we're using on all the reels right here. We're using the Makaira 50 wides, spooled up with 200 pounds Spectrum.
Real. Look at your rod tip. Real. Good job, babe. You're doing great. Who's gonna gas? There we go. You're good. You're good. Just get him on. That'll work. Heads up.
Woo! All right.
Nice job, team. Nice job. Nice job.
11.